So, hey, what's up everyone? This is Queen Salisa and welcome back to my channel. So guys, for today's vlog or for today's video, samahan niyo ako because we are going to do a unboxing. So, mag-unbox tayo guys ng mga PR package na pinadala sa akin nung Sunday. Ayan, pag uwi ko, ito yung mga bumungad sa akin guys. And first na i-unbox natin is itong Lindor. Ayan. So, give the gift of bliss. So, ito yung PR package nila guys na pinadala sa akin and they will release this new flavors of their chocolate ngayong Eid. So, buksan na natin. Let's go. Grabe guys talaga yung box niya. As in, 'di ba? So, ayan. Pag open nyo, meron ding another box pa rin. Nakalagay, irresistibly smooth. Lindor. Ayun. So, this one. Yung pinakabago nila ditong product guys is yung salted caramel nila. So, let's open. Ayan. Pagbukas nyo, ganyan yung makikita nyo. They have their salted caramel. This one is the pistachio. And this one is the milk chocolate bar. So, ayan. Meron silang milk chocolate bar. So, yon. And, ito yung kanilang pistachio. Pistachio flavor na Lindt. And also, ito yung kanilang newest flavor na salted caramel. Favorite ko tong Lindt guys, yung kulay pula niya. Yun yung original flavor niya. Yun yung masarap for me. Pero this one, masarap din naman to. So, pag open yung ganyan guys, ayan, marami siyang laman, then mga ganito. Ganyan siya. And also this pistachio Lindt. Yun. Yun lang siya guys. Yun lang yung laman niya. Akala nyo may laman pa. Grabe yung box nila guys. Grabe yung PR nila. So, Shalen with the box of gold. Akala ko talaga may laman pa. Pero ganyan siya. Ginawa siyang ganyan, no. So, it's just a simple box. No, it's not simple. Very shallow ng box, guys. Para sa tatlong chocolate na laman. Pero, mahal din kasi yung Lindt dito, guys. And, parang, pwede siya kasing pang-gift. Especially this Eid. Parang yung celebration sa kanila, kapag Eid, kailangang nasa-celebrate talaga. Diba? So, nakalagay dito, try our caramel flavor, a delicate milk chocolate shell with a smooth melting salted caramel filling, a moment of pure chocolate bliss, crafted by the Lindt Master Chocolaters. So, ito yung master nila na gumawa ng flavor na salted caramel. And I already tried that, guys, kanina. It's masarap. Perfect siya. Perfect. So, next, guys, is, of course, itong Cosmo Cosmetics. So, they sent me this full box. Dahil meron din silang bagong product na ilalabas ngayong Eid. So, they have a new campaign. Cosmo made for you. Unbox the glow just for you, sabi ni Cosmo. So, they have this, they have this 3 product, guys. Their new Cosmo Temptation Shower Gel na may 3 flavor. So, they have this dragon fruit flavor. Meron silang watermelon. Ayan, watermelon to. And lastly, this pomegranate. Ayan. So, pomegranate, dragon fruit, and watermelon from Cosmo Cosmetics. Yun yung ibinigay nila. So, yun. And, this one from Downy. Ayan. So, ito yung from Downy, guys. They have a lot of scents. And ito yung chinus ko. Itong lavender and musk. This is their newest scent na Downy. And, kiniklaim nila na up to 30 days fresh from wash to wear. So, kapag nilaban mo daw yung damit, sinampay mo and everything. But, ang ninonote nila, use 1 full cup in every wash. So, dapat, pag naglaba kayo, talagang puno itong cup na to. Bango niya. I like the smell, guys. Smells the lavender and musk. Ganon. Pwede siya sa Pilipino, pwede din siya sa ibang lahi. They have 5 scents yata. The original, and meron silang nung yellow, purple, green, and then blue. So, yun yung meron sila. See, Downy all-in-one concentrate fabric conditioner, and up to 30 days fresh from wash to wear. So, pag hubad mo doon ng damit, mabango pa din. Talaga ba, Downy? Pero in fairness, guys, ginamit ko na siya and mabango yung damit. Okay? And then, last but not the least, we have this Honor. Ayan. Pinadalhan ulit tayo ni Honor dahil meron na naman silang ilalabas na panibagong earbuds, guys. Ayan. Their newest earbuds 4 with AI translation. So, kiniklaim niya, guys, na meron siyang dual T-coated driver, 50 dB hybrid ANC, 46-hour battery life, and AI translation. Kapag sinabing AI translation, lalo na dito sa UAE, guys, sometimes yung iba talaga hindi marunong mag-English. So, isaset nyo lang yung base sa pagkakabasa ko nung campaign brief namin. Isaset mo yung AI translation. Like, for example, may kausap ka na hindi marunong mag-English, or for example, ano siya, European, something, nagfe-French siya, or Hindi, ganon. So, ibibigay mo yung isang headset sa kanya, then magsasalita ka on your language or in English, then isiset mo into his language, tapos maririnig mo kung anong ibig sabihin niya. So, ito yung kagandahan ng bagong labas nila na Honor Earbuds 4. So, dahil unboxing nga to, bubuksan ko to sa harap ninyo. Ayan, let's open their newest, di ko pa siya nagagawan, guys, na ina-unbox ko pa lang sa inyo, gagawin ko pa to ng video and everything, pero kailangan ko kasi ng someone dun sa campaign brief, kailangan kasi mapakita namin na meron talaga siyang AI translation, ganon. So, yan, pag open nyo, yun yung meron siya. Usually, guys, si Honor, laging Type-C ang kanyang charger. So, meron pa siya inside. Meron siyang extra for ear. And then, ito yung kanyang mga manual. And, of course, na original siya from Honor. Ganyan. And, let's open this one. Ayan. So, ganito siya. Ang ganda ng quality niya, guys. Yung, lagayan niya, ang ganda ng quality. Ayan. Merong print dyan na Honor. Ayan, kita nyo ba? And, ang ganda. Fairness. You like it, Habi? Habi, you like it? Para siyang robot. Okay. Oo. So, guys, this is their newest earbuds 4 and with AI translation. At alam nyo ba, 169 dirhams lang ito. Ayan. So, ganyan siya sa tenga. Diba? Nice. Nice siya, nice. Super nice siya, guys. Ayan. Then, saka ko na ipapakita sa inyo na itatry ko yung AI translation niya. Okay? So, yeah, that's it, guys. Yan na lahat yung mga PR package na pinadala sa akin this week. Meron pa akong mga inaabangan and I just want to show you para may upload na rin tayo dito, diba? Uso naman sa akin ng mag-unboxing eh. So, yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Hope you like it. And if you want to ask something about dun sa mga in-unbox ko, feel free to comment in the comment section. So, yeah, bye!